Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 3 of the 7-day Detox Green Smoothie Challenge. I'm truly grateful for all your support and for being with me throughout this journey. In today's video, I'll share more about the amazing benefits that detox green smoothies bring to your body and overall health. Now, let's dive into the recipe for day 3. Today's smoothie is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. First and foremost, the best thing about detox green smoothies is their ability to detoxify the body. They help flush out toxins and cleanse your body from the inside, giving you a much lighter and more refreshed feeling. Moreover, if you're looking for a safe and effective way to lose weight, detox green smoothies are the perfect solution. By drinking them throughout this 7-day challenge, you can gradually lose between 1 to 3 kilos without the need for strict dieting. Lastly, what I absolutely love about detox green smoothies is their ability to provide essential nutrients. These ingredients are rich in vitamins and minerals that keep you full of energy and vitality throughout the day. If you're looking for a positive transformation for both your body and mind, don't forget to continue this journey with me. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe to support me. Thank you so much.